Hello, welcome to another session for practice problems on engineering economics. Again, section 2.4.1. Problems are 28, 29, and 37 on pages 98 and 99. So let's work on problem 28. First, let's read the statement. It reads, how much will a $25,000 investment today be worth in 10 years if it earns 7% annual compound interest? Again, the first thing we need to do is to gather data from the problem. So this is problem 28. And the parameters are, well, right now we have $25,000, and the interest rate is 7%, and the number of periods is 10. So the question is, how much will we have at the end of 10 periods? So we can write F equals 25,000 times F given P, 7%, and 10 periods. We can rewrite that expression as F equals 25,000 times 1.07 to the 10. And this is equal to F equals 25,000 times 1.96715 and this answer is $49,178 and 78 cents. So at the end of 10 periods, we have $49,178 and 78 cents. Okay, now we're going to solve problem 29. And problem 29 reads, what deposit today is required for it to be worth $150,000 in 25 years if the deposit earns 5% annual compound interest? So we gather the data from the problem. This is again problem 29. And what we have is the number of years is 25. The future, the amount that we want to have in the future is 150,000. And the interest rate is 5%. So what we want to know is the present value, how much we need to deposit today, and that value is 150,000 times P, given that I know F, for 5% and 25 periods. That can be rewritten as 150,000 times 1.05 to the negative 25, or 150,000 times 0.29 5302 77 17, or simply 44,295 with 42 cents. And that's how much we would need to deposit if the interest rate is 5% and we can wait 7 years. Last but not least, we're going to solve problem 37. Problem 37 reads, for your 21st birthday, your grandfather offers you a gift of $1,000 today. However, you have the choice of waiting 3 years and receiving $1,500 or waiting 5 years and receiving $3,000. If your money grows at the rate of 8% compounded annually, which alternative should you choose? So we gathered the information from the problem, and the first thing that this is problem 37. The first thing that we need to realize is that the interest rate is 8%. The amount offered depends on 3 options and 3 periods. So we have option A is to receive $1,000 today. Option B is to receive $1,500 3 years from now, and the last option is to receive $3,000 5 years from now. So we need to compare these 3 alternatives. The easiest way to do this is to in order to be able to compare apples to apples, we need to put all these quantities at the same time, or its equivalent in the line of time. So the easiest point is right now is the present, but you can use any one of these periods. The answer would be the same. So let's say that we bring everything to the present. So the present worth of option A, that's already at today's money. That present worth is 1,000. Alternatively, the present worth for B would be receiving 1,500, but we have to wait 3 years. The interest rate is 8%, so we want to bring that quantity to the present. So what we do is we use our P given F for 3 periods, and we compute this. This answer is 1,500 times 0.793822, and the answer is 1,190.74. So up to this point, it's better to select B because the present value of, or the present worth of B is higher than the present worth of A. The last alternative would be the present worth of C, and in this example we would have $3,000 times 1.08 to the negative 5, because now we need to wait 5 years. That's $3,000 times 0.68 0583, and this number is now $2,041.75. So in this particular example, it is better to go with option C, because option C gives you the highest value, because it's equivalent to, even though you have to wait 5 years, receiving $3,000 5 years from now is equivalent to receiving $2,041.75 today. So I hope you find these videos useful, and please contact me if you still have questions.